In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a presentation on famous places in the world using Gemini. This process is straightforward and perfect for those looking to craft an image-rich presentation that highlights some of the most iconic landmarks across the globe, offering insights into their historical, cultural, and social significance. So let's dive right in and explore each step in detail. First, open up your preferred browser and head over to Google. Once you're on the Google homepage, type Google Gemini into the search bar. This will help you find the platform we'll be using to create our presentation. After you've typed that in, hit Enter and take a look at the results page. You should see the official Gemini link. Go ahead and click on it to navigate to the Google Gemini website. Now that we're on the Gemini platform, we need to start by setting up a prompt for our presentation. Think of this as the blueprint for what you want your slides to communicate. For this tutorial, the prompt will be for a 10-slide presentation that is rich in images. The focus will be on introducing famous world landmarks and giving a brief overview of what landmarks are. Furthermore, we aim to explain their importance as symbols of history, culture, and human connection. Enter this prompt into the Gemini application to guide its project creation. Next, you'll want to click on the Tools option. This menu allows you to access various functionalities that can aid in crafting and designing your presentation. After you've opened the Tool menu, look for Canvas. Select it. This is where the magic happens. Canvas is the space within Gemini where you can start laying out each element of your presentation, adding the text and images that will bring your presentation to life. Once everything is set on Canvas according to your vision and the prompt, you'll want to find and hit the Submit button. This action compiles all your inputs and processes them into a draft of your presentation slides. Review each slide to make sure it aligns with your expectations and the initial goals you set out for the presentation. Finally, once you're satisfied with how your presentation looks on Gemini, click on Export to Slides. This step transfers your finished draft into Google Slides, making it easy for you to present, share, or further customize. Congratulations! You've successfully created a professional presentation on famous places around the world using Gemini. This tool provides a seamless way to integrate visually appealing elements and compelling content, enhancing the impact of your work. And there you have it, a full guide on how to create a captivating and informative presentation showcasing some of the world's most famous landmarks, all by using the right tools and straightforward steps within Google Gemini. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your future presentations.